guys, Rhazel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have another DIY para sa inyo and it's not only one. I transformed 2 t-shirts para sa inyo guys. Ito yung isa sa mga ginawa ko. You really enjoyed the previous DIY that I did. So I decided to do more kasi if you guys watch me, alam nyo na mahilig ako magtahi-tahi. I'm actually really satisfied sa mga ginawa ko. So I hope magustuhan nyo din. The first one, which is ito, hindi siya ganun kadali because it involves sewing. Pero pwede din naman kayo gumamit ng fabric glue if you're into that. I personally do not use fabric glue. Hindi pa ako nakagamit ng fabric glue. I prefer sewing kasi mas gusto ko naglalast talaga yung design. And I can see myself wearing the shirts that I made. So I want to make sure na secure talaga sila. The second shirt takes no time at all. The second shirt is really easy and I like it. Well, of course, I made it. So I really like it. Please do like this video if you are enjoying the DIY videos. And also, please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm not sure when this video will be up, but as of now, we have 96, very close to 97,000. So please click the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. It will take you a few seconds and it's free, so cool. Enough with the talking. I will go ahead and show you guys the DIY. For this DIY, of course, a t-shirt. I got mine from the thrift store. You will also need a ribbon. This one is not the usual satin ribbon. As you guys can see, it has some ridges sa kanya para hindi siya mahirap tahiin later on. So you can also use a scrap fabric. Just make sure it's not stretchy. Needle and thread. Make sure that thread matches your ribbon. Pair of scissors, of course. A marker. I am using here an eyebrow pencil. A ruler. Or in my case, I'm using a straight edge and then a lighter. You will know later on why I need a freaking lighter. Okay, first thing is to try on your shirt, of course, and then decide kung hanggang saan mo gusto i-cut yung shirt mo. In my case, I want it this low, so I marked that area right there. And then fold your shirt like this, just to make sure na even yung shirt natin, like hindi siya tabingi, you know what I mean? And then after that, draw a vertical line dyan sa part na yan para meron kang point sa gitna. Take your ruler or your straight edge and then trace yung neckline mo. Actually, hindi to yung final ng pag-trace ko ng shirt. Iniba ko siya kasi mas gusto ko na mas lower pa siya and then mas malaki yung neckline. So, I decided to do that. And then, I am just folding it halfway and then tinitrace ko lang siya sa kabila para sure ako na even yung magkabilang side. Now, it is time to cut. So, ika-cut ko lang yung na-trace ko na kanina. Cut, 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 cut. Yung sa likod din na part, ika-cut ko din siya. Hindi na ako gumamit ng marker kasi alam ko na kung ano yung gagawin ko. But you guys, feel free to use a marker kung hindi kayo komportable na mag-cut ng walang line. After mo siya i-cut, just give it a good stretch. Try on the shirt. If gusto mo pa na mas lakihan pa yung neckline, then go ahead and trim more. But para sa akin, okay na siya. So, I'm taking my ribbon and then sinusukat ko lang kung gaano kahaba yung ikakat ko na ribbon. So, nilagay ko lang siya dyan. Tapos, ikakat ko siya. Dito na natin gagamitin yung lighter, guys. Since ribbon yung gamit ko, ayoko na yung mag-fray yung ribbon. So, sinisil ko siya gamit yung apoy. I am just doing that sa edges ng ribbon na kinat natin. Now, this is the fun part para sa akin. So, kinakat ko lang yung ribbon para maging design siya ng aking neckline. Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong tatawagin ko dito sa part na to. Design na lang. So, yeah. It's up to you guys kung gaano ka close to each other yung ribbon or yung fabric mo. I decided to use 5 pieces kasi mas gusto ko na parang na hindi siya ganun ka layo to each other tingnan. So, I'm satisfied with that. Again, I'm just using fire to seal the edges of my ribbon. Kung different fabric yung gamit mo and wala naman siyang mga nag-fray na kung ano-ano, then you don't have to do this like, you know, lighter thingy. Para sa akin, I need to just to secure it. Ilalagay ko lang sa gilid yung aking mga nakat na ribbon and then it's time to sew. You can use a fabric glue. I just want to make sure na secure yung akin. That's why I'm sewing it. And as you guys can see, I am just sewing it sa both edges ng ribbon. So, sa magkabilang dulo lang. Pero that's okay kasi isusew ko naman yung mga pieces ng ribbon mamaya. So now, binabalik ko lang yung mga nakat ko na ribbon kanina and then minamark ko lang kung saan sila dapat nakalagay. You can also use a pin sa part na to. Like, ipipin mo siya para hindi mag-move yung mga... I totally forgot using the pin. And now, parang nahihirapan ako kasi I need to hold it in place while sewing it. And I don't know. Bumili pa ako ng pin pero nakalimutan ko siya. Anyway, I am just sewing it again. If you don't want to sew, go ahead and buy a fabric glue and do that. But I'm not sure kung sobrang maglalast talaga yung shirt mo. And while nagsasew, you can relax. You can watch YouTube video like what I am doing here. But you guys, sewing is worth it para sa akin because I can see myself wearing this shirt a lot. I really like it. Ganyan yung itsura niya. I'm really satisfied of how it turned out and I hope you guys like this shirt. Time for the next shirt. So I have this I Heart New York shirt right here, which I got from the thrift store as well. And you will be needing again a marker, pair of scissors, a straight edge, shoelaces, and a puncher. So, first of all, try on your shirt. Decide kung saan mo gustong mag-end yung parang ano mo, neckline mo. And just draw a horizontal line. Make sure nahabaan mo yung pag-draw ng horizontal line ha. Kasi mamaya kapag finold natin yung shirt natin, we want to make sure na makikita natin yung line na ginawa natin kanina. So, I'm just doing the same thing. Finold ko yung shirt para makita ko yung center talaga ng shirt. And then, I draw the vertical line para meron tayong point dyan sa gitna. And yan yung basehan natin kung saan mag-i-end yung ating ikakat mamaya. Taking again my quote-unquote ruler, ititrace ko lang yung aking neckline. Ganon. Again, I'm doing the same thing. Fino-fold ko siya. Tapos minamark ko kung saan ko siya ikakat. Again, this is to make sure na even yung magkabilang side ng ating shirt. After that, it's time to cut. And then, of course, give it a good stretch. After that, I decided to mark the areas where I want the holes to be. This actually ended up not being useful sa akin because I'm using a double hole puncher, if that's even the right term. Pero nahirapan ako sa kanya nung kinuha ko na yung puncher and ipapunch ko na sana siya kasi I cannot even see the dots that I made. Pero useful to if you are using a single hole puncher kasi makikita mo talaga kung saan mo nilagay yung mark mo. So what I ended up doing is just eyeing it. So, wala na ako, hindi na ako nagbe-base sa mga dots na ginawa ko. Tinitingnan ko na lang ng maayos kung saan dapat i-punch yung mga holes. It ended up okay and even naman. Take your shoelaces. I had to use dalawang shoelaces. So what I did is I just tied two together and yan yung ginamit ko. And depende na to sa inyo guys. You can use a different colored shoelaces. Kung gusto nyo ng like, you know, my oomph na colorful shoelaces yung iyong shirt. But I went for black because I'm a basic boyosh like that. And all you have to do is ilagay mo lang siya sa mga holes. Ano bang tawag doon? Parang nagsisintas ka lang ng sapatos, ganon. And after that, meron kang shirt na sobrang dali lang gawin. It's very easy and, you know, it's trendy. So, cool. video. You guys, sobrang dali lang. Please tag me on Instagram if you decide to make these shirts. On my previous DIY, a lot of you guys sent me pictures of the off-shoulder shirts that you made, and I was so happy. This time, please tag me on Instagram so I can puso that picture, you know? And that is it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Again, please like if you're enjoying the DIY. Let me know below kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin ko next time. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye!